Hi, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to upgrade your laptop video card. You want to start by removing the power supply from the system and remove any batteries that are installed. Once you have done that, most laptops have the video card located underneath the keyboard. This particular model, you will need to remove the power button cover. That just snaps off. Remove the 4 mounting screws holding the keyboard in. And remove the heat shield underneath the keyboard. Now locate the video card. This particular model has a video card located in the middle of the machine. What you want to do is remove the LCD ribbon cable. It just comes unplugged. And the 2 mounting screws holding the video card in. Now pull the video card up and out. Take the new video card. Make note of the connector here and line that one up. Apply pressure until it snaps in and replace the mounting screws. Now reconnect the LCD connector and the heat shield. Reconnect the laptop keyboard connector and the 4 mounting screws. Now replace the power button cover. And that's it. When you boot it up for the first time, you may need to install new system software and software drivers to run the new video card. This is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com.